Understanding pouring rain, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very vivid and commonly used English phrase, pouring rain. This phrase paints a picture of heavy rainfall, and we'll dive into its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about it. So, let's get started. Pouring rain refers to a very heavy rainfall, where the rain seems to be falling in large quantities, almost like water being poured from a container. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where the rain is so heavy that it might affect visibility and make outdoor activities challenging. The phrase, pouring rain, has been in use for centuries. It originates from the imagery of water being poured out, similar to how rain appears when it falls heavily from the sky. This metaphor helps people visualize the intensity and volume of the rain. Let's see how to use pouring rain in different contexts. Descriptive context. I was caught in the pouring rain and got completely soaked. Metaphorical use. Their problems came down like pouring rain, one after the other. Comparative phrases. It's raining as if someone is pouring buckets of water from the sky. There are several variations and idioms related to heavy rain in English. It's raining cats and dogs, another way to describe very heavy rain. Bucketing down, similar to pouring rain, indicating a downpour. A torrential rain describes an extremely heavy and sudden rainfall. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand and use the phrase, pouring rain, effectively. Remember, English is full of vivid phrases that make the language colorful and expressive. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in our next video.